empowering that. Hi guys, and in this video I'm going to be changing the front headlights on this smart ForFour. Alright, so these are the bulbs I plan to use. They're the OSRAM Cool Blue Intense. They are legal. They go up to 4200 Kelvin, which means it's not going to be super blue, but it's going to be a lot whiter than the light that's currently on the car. They're also the H4 type, and as you can see here where it says 60 to 55 watts, that means they're legal. Anything above that is not legal for road use. That's all off-road, or if you are going to run them, good luck, because yeah, feds are going to pull you over. Alright, so to open the bonnet on these cars, it's very simple. All you need to do is whack this open, and obviously whack this one open, but obviously where the bonnet is locked, you've got to use the key. So out comes the key. I like how these keys open. It's something about them that just make me feel like proper, like, yeah, like, I don't know, is it just me, or like, just, I don't know, yeah. But what we've got to do here is pull this thing out the way, and in here you see the lock. From there you turn it clockwise, pull out the key, and now this opens. Now the bonnet itself does not come off fully, so pull it towards you. Sorry, actually start from the top, my bad. Give it a little shake, and as you can see the bonnet is now free. Pull it towards you and off it comes. And then once you've done that, you can now get access in behind here, which is actually, let me point at it, over there, down there. That's where you're going to be changing your bulb. I'm going to switch to my iPhone now because there's not enough space for me to use this camera. As you can see, that is the bulb there. You can see the little plug protruding. Protruding is another word for sticking out, so that is a new English lesson for you there. The plug's protruding. All we're going to do, we're just going to grab it. Let's see if I can do it with two hands here, and we're going to yank it out. Jesus, that's why I said I was hench. There we go. So as you can see now, the plug's out the way, and all you've got left is just the bulb itself with its three prongs on the end. All we're going to do now, this retainer clip here, retain, another big man word. Retain means to keep, or to keep in. So the thing that's holding the bulb in is that clip there. You're just going to push it in, I'm not sure what direction, but I'll let you know. You're going to push it in one direction and then pull it down. The clip has now been released. I don't know how good you can see in there, but the clip needed to be pushed forward, so the clip needed to be pushed forward and to the right, and it's now been released. So go back in here, keep that right there, and I try and use my finger. I don't think this is going to work, but yeah, let me show you what I do. You can now see that clip is now in the open position, so I pushed it forward and to the right, and now it's released. Now all I can do gently is pull the bulb out. It's very important to remember the way the bulb came out. There we go, sorry. It's very important to remember the way the bulb was put in. That way when you're putting your new one in, it's very simple. Okay, so this is the bulb removed. What I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this in the case that the new ones come in, so that way if the bulbs do blow on the car, I can stick the old ones back in and continue driving the car with no problem. I'd rather have something than nothing. A little tip, whenever you're about to put any type of bulbs in a car or anything, always compare them and make sure that they look the same, they're the same size, because sometimes the package may say, I don't know, H4, but it might be H7, so always check. So as you can see, these are the actual bulbs. The one on the left is what's going in. These are the OSRAM ones, and the one on the right is the one that was already in. That's the OEM bulb, original equipment from the manufacturer. So all I'm going to do now, I'm going to pop the new one in the same way I took the old one out, in reverse obviously, and I'm going to show you a comparison. Right, so as you can see, I don't know how good it is to the human eye, or on camera rather, but yeah, there's a definite difference. That one is the one that I haven't done, and you can see it's still got that yellow tinge, and that one's very white. If I go a bit closer, you can definitely see from the top here, it's got that yellow tinge, and if I move here, it still looks yellow, but it's not as yellow. It's a lot whiter in person. I'm telling you now, it's definitely whiter. Alright, so now both lights have been done, and you must be drunk if you're telling me you cannot see a difference. There's definitely a difference, a much whiter look. It actually matches the colour of the daytime running lamps, which is perfect. So yeah guys, that's the OSRAM Cool Intense bulbs done. Thanks for watching, give it a like if you haven't, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.